Hello everyone, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. Guys, as you know, आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है मैम प्लीज़ गेम प्रोग्रामिंग पर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्रोवाइड कराइए. गाइस मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया है आपके सब्जेक्ट पर बट अभी हालांकि जैसे कि आप लोग जानते ही हैं AKTU ने अभी हाल ही में न्यू पैटर्न अराइज किया है मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन टाइप्स एंड मैंने आपको एक सेपरेट वीडियो में बताया है जिस भी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट से आपको मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्रोवाइड नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, अवेलेबल नहीं हो पा रहे हैं आपके लिए, तो प्लीज़ आप उस सब्जेक्ट से शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर यूनिट वाइज कवर कर लीजिए. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, in this video I am going to teach you game programming unit 1 short answer type question and answer. Okay, in this your first question is define computer graphics. Answer is computer graphics remains one of the most existing and rapidly growing computer fields. Computer graphics may be defined as a pictorial representation or graphical representation of objects in a computer. Okay, means आपको computer graphics की definition पता होनी चाहिए in game programming. Okay, next question, define random scan or raster scan displays. Answer is random scan is a method in which the display is made by the electronic beam which is directed only to the points or part of the screen where the picture is to be drawn. The raster scan system is a scanning technique in which the electrons sweep from top to bottom and from left to right. The intensity is turned on or off to light and unlight the pixel. Okay, next question. What is aspect ratio? Answer is the ratio of vertical points to the horizontal points necessary to produce length of lines in both directions of the screen is called the aspect ratio. Usually the aspect ratio is 3/4. Okay. Next question. What is aliasing and anti-aliasing? Answer is in the line drawing algorithm, all registered locations do not match with the true line and have to represent a straight line. This problem is severe in low resolution screens. In such screens, line appear like a stair step. This effect is known as aliasing. Okay, the process of adjusting intensities of the pixel along the line to minimize the effect aliasing is called anti-aliasing. Okay, next question. What is pixel phasing? Answer is pixel phasing is an anti-aliasing technique. Stair steps are smoothed out by moving the electron beam to more nearly approximate positions specified by the object geometry. Next question. What do you mean by emissive and non-emissive displays? Answer is the emissive display converts electrical energy into light energy. The plasma panels, thin film electroluminescent displays are the examples. The non-emissive are optical effects to convert the sunlight or light from any other source to graphic form. Liquid crystal displays is an example. Okay. So, the film electroluminescent is the example of emissive display and liquid crystal display is an example of non-emissive display. Okay. Question number 7. What do you mean by scan conversion? Answer is a major task of the display processor is digitizing a picture definition given in an application program into a set of pixel intensity values for storage in the frame buffer. This digitization process is called scan conversion. Next question. What is an output primitive? Answer is graphics programming packages provide function to describe a scene in terms of these basis geometric structures referred to as output primitives. Next question. What are the various representation schemes used in three-dimensional object? Answer is boundary representation, known as B-rays, describe the three-dimensional object as a set of surfaces that separate the object interior from the environment. Second one, space portioning representation, Describe interior properties by partitioning the spatial regions containing an object into a set of small number overlapping contiguous solids. Okay. Question number 10. What is polygon mesh? Answer is polygon mesh is a method to represent the polygon when the object surfaces are tiled. It's more convenient to specify the surface faced with a mesh function. The various meshes are: first one, summation triangular strip. This is n-2 connected triangles. Second one, summation quadrilateral mesh. In this generates n-1 multiply m-1 quadrilateral. Okay. Next question, define B-spline curve. Answer is a B-spline curve is a set of piecewise, usually polynomial segments that pass close to a set of control points. However, the curve does not pass through these control points, it only passes close to them. Next question, define rendering. Rendering is the process of generating an image from a model or models in what collectively could be called a scene file by means of computer programs. Also, the result of such a model can be called a rendering. Question number 13. Define ray tracing. Answer is in computer graphics and in game programming, ray tracing is a rendering technique for generating an image by tracing the path of light as pixels in an image plane and simulating the effects of its encounters with virtual objects. Next question. Define shader. In computer graphics and game programming, a shader is a type of computer program that was originally used for shading, the production of appropriate labels of light, darkness, and color within an image, but which now performs a variety of specialized functions in various fields of computer graphics, special effects, or does video post processing unrelated to shading, or even function unrelated to graphics at all. Next question. Define textures. In the visual arts, texture is the perceived surface quality of a work of art. It's an element of two-dimensional and three-dimensional design and is distinguished by its perceived visual and physical properties. Use of texture along with other elements of design can convey a variety of messages and emotions. Next question. Define light. Light is electromagnetic radiation within a certain portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. The word usually refers to visible light, which is the visible spectrum that is visible to the human eye and it's responsible for the next question. Define projection. Answer is 3D projection is any method of mapping 3D projection is any method of mapping three-dimensional points to a two-dimensional plane. As most current methods for displaying graphical data are based on planar, that is, pixel information from several bit planes, two-dimensional media, the use of this type of projection is widespread, especially in computer graphics, engineering, and drafting. Okay. Next question, define clipping. Answer is clipping in the context of computer graphics and game programming is a method to selectively enable a disable rendering operation within a defined regions of interest. Mathematically, clipping can be described using the terminology of constructive geometry. A rendering algorithm only draws pixels in the intersection between the clip regions and the scene model. Lines and surface outside the view volume aka frustum are removed. Okay. Next question. Explain character animation. Answer is character animation is a specialized area of the animation process which involves bringing animated characters to file. The role of a character animator is analogous to that of a film or stage actor, and character animators are often said to be actors with a pencil or a mouse. Character animators breathe life in their characters, creating the illusion of thoughts, emotion, and personality. Character animation is often distinguished from creature animation, which involves bringing photorealistic animals and creatures to life. Okay, next question of this video is define scene graph. In game programming, a scene graph is a journal data structure commonly used by vector-based graphics editing application in modern computer games, which arrange the logical and often spatial representation of a graphical scene. Okay guys, now see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye.